Hey you guys, welcome to Gentle Stretch. My name is Yifat Binder and we are Herbalife Nutrition. Today we're going to start with a gentle stretch on your body. I suggest doing it first thing in the morning if you have time, or to end your day with such a gentle stretch to forget what happened during the day and get into your evening routine or just fresh into your bed. Are we ready? Let's close our eyes and take a deep breath in as you sweep those arms up, lifting from your hip bones and relaxing your shoulders. And as you exhale down to your knees, open your eyes. I want you finding your sit bones in the back and elevating your chest. We're trying to avoid hunching back, and that's what tends to be all day long, right? In front of a screen or a computer. So let's try it again. Elevating and sweeping the arms up. Look up and exhale down to your heart. Close your eyes, find the center of your body. And if there's a movement happening in your body, in the core, in the center, there is a fire happening, I want you to breathe and let go. Relaxing the shoulders back and down towards your sit bones. And as you inhale, welcome your evening, welcome your day, whatever you decide to start or finish your day with a gentle stretch. Inhale all the good stuff and exhale all the noise you have around you. This is your time. Inhale, arms up. Now look up. Stretch it up. Come up off your seat bones. You want to grow a little taller and feel the stretch happening. Relax the shoulders down. And as you exhale down to your knees, elevate your chest and heart forward. Relax the shoulders. Good. I want your chin up. I want long neck. Good job, you guys. Perfect. Let's release the right arm down and take the left arm and take the head right over the shoulder. So your left ear over the left shoulder. And now let's hover the right arm up. And I need to give yourself a little wiggle in your fingers. And relax into that position. As you breathe, you try to go a little deeper as you press on your temple. And let's go small circles, back and forward. Perfect. Keep it center. And let's go back, this time with the small circles. Good. Hold your hands center. And inhale, elevate your chest. Get your ear close to your shoulder. Release the left arm. And now bring it back to the down tempo and bring your head up. Good. Hands back to your knees. Elevate. Every single time you try to feel like you're going back and curling your spine, I want you elevating up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. Let's take the right arm over. Taking the right ear over the shoulder, releasing the left arm down to the floor. Feeling that stretch happening. With every movement today, you're trying to let go. You're trying to stretch. Get some oxygen into your muscles, into your bones, into your soul. And lift the left arm up. Wiggle those fingers. And remember, you try to get this ear close to your shoulder. And let's give yourself small circles to one direction. And now let's switch to the other direction. Good. Hold it there. Arm down. Release the right arm. And take your finger and lift on the temple to head back to center. Good. Arms back to your knees, elevating your chest. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale, let go. Your next inhale, sweep those arms all the way up. Open your eyes, look up. Halfway down, chest is elevated. Good. I want this energy with your fingers, right? All the way up. And this time, as you exhale, you're gonna twist to one side and rest the back arm down to the mat. Now it's a spine stretch, not the neck stretch. So I need you elevating and twisting. You can move your head to one side. You can move your head to the opposite side. But keep the twist happening in your torso, and your abs are in and your chest is elevated. Excellent. Maybe the left arm or the right, whichever side you decided to start with, coming to the opposite knee and lifting up. Stay in this position for one more. Inhale. And as you exhale, you'll find out your breath a little shorter just because you're into the twist. To untwist, you guys, inhale. Holding your abs tight and let go, exhale. Roll your shoulders back, look up, pressing on the shoulders down towards your hip bones, towards your seat. Excellent. One more time, all the way up. And as you exhale, you're gonna twist to the opposite side. Straight arm in the back. Find the twist. Both seat bones are on the mat. You can move your neck side to side. Be gentle on your body today. You had a busy day, you had a stressful day. This is always a great spot to come to, or just lend to, or just find a moment just for you. Good, let's take the arm to the knee and find a deeper stretch into that. Good, remember it's the spine, not the neck. Draw your shoulders down, lift your chest up. And to untwist, you guys, inhale, holding your abs tight, and untwist back to center. Arms all the way up. And as you exhale, dive forward, as far forward as you can. Or maybe for the first time, it's not that deep. So be gentle to your body. This is just a gentle stretch. Keep your mobility going, aging well, finding flexibility, and lift back up. Touch your knees, elevate your chest. Excellent. Arms all the way to the side and up again. Let's try it again. Exhale, dive down, palms of your hand facing down. Try to keep those hip bones down to the mat. Try not to lift anything and find a stretch in your lower back, traveling vertebra by vertebra all the way down to your neck, all the way up to your neck, and lower your forehead down. Good. Stay here for one more breath. And exhale, release. Back to your knees, back to elevating your chest. Good. Keeping those arms on your knees, I want you going down for the first time, rounding your spine back, chin to your chest, and as you exhale, elevating up again. Good. This is cat-cows in a seated position, and back up to a tall, elevated seated position, pressing on the shoulders down the whole time. They never want to come up to your ears. In your ears, you guys, you only want to keep your earrings. Good. Exhale, back down, round. And one more time, up here. Good. And exhale, seated position. I'm going to take you to the same position on all four. So let's take it to all four. Knees, and I want the hips right above the knees, the shoulders right above your wrist. Open those fingers wide. Now flatten the feet in the back. Now as you inhale, stretching forward and rounding your back down, and as you exhale, take your hips back, round your back up. Good. Let's do that again. You're shifting forward, lifting your chest, rounding your back down. And exhale, take it back, put your hips back, and rounding your spine. Let's do that again. All the way up. Excellent. And exhale back down. Guys, stretching your body daily, it's highly important for your blood, for your posture, for mobility and being flexible. If you don't oil the machine, it's not going to work well. Excellent. Take it all the way back down this time. Open your knees, toes together to a child pose. Trying to get those fingers maybe as far as your mat. Good. Forehead down to the mat. I need you to relax your jaw. This is one of the things we're holding tension, is relaxing your jaw, relaxing behind your eyebrows. And let the shoulder just melt down while pressing towards your hips and hips pressing towards your heels. Good. I want you feeling this calmness in the stillness of your body, trying to stretch. Excellent. And as you exhale, come up to all four. And let's take it to our back. Let's have a nice opening of the hip. Feet together. You're going to roll down slowly. I need you to relax the back of your neck, your shoulders, your spine, your lower back. Get those heels closer to your glutes and your inner thighs. And take those arms and press on the knees down. Good. While pressing on the knees down, try not to create any tension happening in your upper body. And if you wish for, just close your eyes and find your breath. With every breath for inhale and exhale, trying to get those knees closer down and relax the glutes in the back. Perfect, you guys. Melt into this posture of sitting here and doing nothing but stretching and taking your time. It's your time to let go. Find a nice stretch, to lengthening those muscles, to relax the mind. Your body's gonna thank you. Good. Open your eyes, and the next inhale, bring those knees together. Let's take it to an opposite direction. So some of us will be really comfortable in this one. I want your knees together, inner thighs trying to get together, and those feet out. Let's hold the hip bones right here. Relax the shoulder. I need the shoulders back to their scapula in the back. And relax your jaw again. Good. Pressing. And this time, we're trying to press those knees down so you feel a different kind of stretch. If a butterfly stretch was too much for you, that's a great modification, guys. And again, trying to find your breath, find the calmness in the stillness. Nothing is moving except you trying to stretch and get deeper. Good. It's sort of like a meditation for your muscles and joints. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Reach those arms down your quadriceps, open up, and put your feet down. Good. Take one leg on top of the opposite leg. If you took the right, take the right arm to inside of your leg, pressing on the knee. Perfect. You want to press it forward and keeping both hips down. Modification or progression, I should say, and you want to get a little deeper. Lift the leg up. Let's thread our arms under, lifting your head just to get a view of what you're doing, and lower back down. Let's stretch the leg up, point your toes while pressing on the knee, the right knee, all the way forward. And exhale, release. Good. Release those legs. Let's try it on the other side. Every side feels different. You try your best to get as deep as you can to both sides. Press on the left knee, pressing it away from your body so you feel opening up, hip bones down. I want the lower back relaxed. Good. And if we need to go deeper, let's try. If you stretch on one side, deeper, I suggest taking it to the other side as deep as the other one. Let's lift and thread our arms right behind the knee. And now lower back. Shoulders are down. Lift the leg up, point your toes. Excellent. Feel the stretch while pressing. Don't forget to press the knee. Great stretch. Inhale, release down to the floor. Adjust your body, reset your body. Perfect. Get the legs together. Bring the knees to your chest. Lift your shoulders off the floor. Lift your head and trying to get this forehead all the way to your knees. And as you exhale, release back down. Good. Let's try it again. Inhale. And exhale down. Holding the knees in this position. Let's take it to nice circles for the hips, for a gentle stretch here, a little bit of movement. Opposite side. And back to center. Good. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, lift your chest, lift your shoulders, forehead to your knees. Again, looking into your belly button. And as you exhale, release. Down to the floor, feet on the floor. And let's come up to a seated position. Gentle. Back to the starting point. Right here. One arm, other arm. Inhale, chest forward, look up, draw your shoulders down. And exhale, keep your head gazing forward. Let's sweep those arms wide up. I bet this position now feels so much better, so much more comfortable. And as you exhale down to your heart, gentle on your body, gentle on your soul. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next stretch.